Yo! Ang pagbalik ng G-Plana Boys. Andito na sila. May kakantayin sila. Ano kakantayin nyo? Ano kakantayin nyo?
Amnesia.
Amnesia Baby. Magpakilala muna kayo.
5 Seconds of Summer.
Pakilala muna kayo.
Kaya nga po pala, yung dating ganun ng ganun. Alam niyo na yun.
AJ is back. And I bring the destruction of the guitar.
Pinoy.
At, cameraman, Manong Jai.
Let's get it on. Sunod
Let's get it
natin
on.
taking out loud.
Yeah. Ano, national anthem.
1,
2, 3, go.
Yeah. Yeah. Angles getting wasted. Even though you're standing and doing fine, somewhere feeling lonely because it's right beside you. So good to hold you, even once I hold you. Sometimes it's just a wonder, was it just a lie? Found you how to speak, how to be fine. They told me you were leaving. I remember the makeup running down your face. The girls you left behind, you didn't need it. They were running just to love between. I wish that I could wake up with a new sun. Forget about this stupid little thing. When you got to fall asleep next to you, memories that never can escape. Not at all.
taking out loud naman yung sunod namin round.
Oh, yeah. Save ko muna to.
Hindi ko alam din.
Hindi ko na alam.
Manong Jai nga pala.
Memory page.
Sabayan natin ang tugtog.
Ang sunod na ano nila, Thinking Out Loud. Teka, babalik muna ako. Manong Jai.